Good morning everyone and welcome to Emirates Graphic Academy. This is Andrea with you, and as promised we will be discussing websites, all to do with websites. So today I've actually chosen a topic. We're just briefly going to talk about WordPress and PHP. You can obviously make the assumptions by yourself, but we're just going to talk about 4 points. So the first one will be security. Which one would you believe that has more security? So in terms of security, custom PHP offers more, and the reason being is because in custom websites, and it's quite difficult to breach the security. So I'd say custom PHP receives a point in that case. WordPress, it isn't. The second point I'd like to discuss is the upgrade of the websites. Custom PHP and WordPress has pretty much same advantages. It really depends on the clients if they want to choose the platform or the other. So upgrades, yes, also. And the third point I like to discuss is user experience. In terms of ability to modify and manage the website, I'd say that WordPress, it gives you more flexibility. It's easier to make changes, to add functionalities, content for someone that is not really technical or familiar with a website. So in terms of user experience, WordPress receives a point. As for custom PHP, no points. And the reason being is because custom PHP is obviously a language platform, is a lot more complex as to a WordPress. The fourth and the last point I'd say is flexibility. Custom PHP is a lot more flexible in terms of, the library functionalities and the fact that it can be customized easily depending to your requirements as a client. Whether the CMS has many functionalities in the applications, however, these applications are not flexible. So when it comes to flexibility, definitely custom PHP framework is the ideal application to go for. So overall, I can't say or decide which one is the best or the worst. It depends purely on you, your requirements, and what is essential for you. So thank you so much. I hope you have managed to get a few tips and tricks, and we'll see you next Tuesday.